Bella. Today we're making a classic, spaghetti and meatballs. This isn't just any recipe. This is how we bring a little Godfather magic to our kitchens. Imagine the aroma filling your home, just like in the movie. Get ready for a delicious adventure. This dish is all about family, tradition, and love. Every ingredient matters. Every step is important. We're going to make a meal that's warm, comforting, and full of flavor. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, we gather our ingredients. This is the foundation of any great dish, and it all starts with a well-thought-out shopping list. Think of it like a treasure hunt. Each item we pick is a step closer to creating a culinary masterpiece. We need the freshest ingredients for the best flavors. Freshness is key to making our dishes vibrant and delicious. For the meatballs, we'll need ground beef and ground veal, or you can use chicken for a lighter alternative. These two types of meat blend together to create a rich and savory base. A little veal makes them extra tender. The veal adds a delicate texture that elevates the meatballs to the next level. Breadcrumbs, eggs, Parmesan cheese, garlic, and parsley add flavor and texture. These ingredients bind everything together and infuse the meatballs with a burst of flavor. For our sauce, we'll use ripe tomatoes. The ripeness ensures a sweet and tangy base for our sauce. We'll add onions, garlic, and herbs for depth. These aromatics build layers of flavor that make the sauce irresistible. Olive oil, salt, and pepper are our secret weapons. They enhance the natural flavors of our ingredients and bring everything together. And of course, we can't forget the spaghetti. This classic pasta is the perfect vehicle for our delicious sauce and meatballs. Choose a good quality pasta for the best results. Now let's cook. With all our ingredients ready, it's time to bring our culinary vision to life. Meatballs first. Let's dive into the art of crafting the perfect meatball. This is where the magic begins. The right ingredients and a touch of love make all the difference. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground beef and veal, or chicken. Add breadcrumbs, eggs, grated Parmesan, minced garlic, and chopped parsley. Each ingredient adds its own unique touch. Season generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy. Seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors. Now use your hands to mix everything together. Don't overmix. Overmixing can make the meatballs tough. Gently form the mixture into small round meatballs. Handle them with care to keep them tender. They should be about the size of a golf ball. Consistent size ensures even cooking. Heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. The oil should be hot, but not smoking. Brown the meatballs on all sides. This step locks in the juices and adds a delicious crust. This will give them a beautiful color and incredible flavor. The perfect meatball is a work of art, both in taste and appearance. While the meatballs brown, let's make the sauce. In a separate pot, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add chopped onions and cook until softened. Then add minced garlic and cook for another minute. The aroma will fill your kitchen. Now pour in the crushed tomatoes. Add dried oregano, add basil, add salt, add pepper. Reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer for at least an hour. The longer it simmers, the richer the flavor. Remember to stir occasionally. Our meatballs are browned and our sauce is simmering. It's time to bring them together. Carefully transfer the browned meatballs to the pot of tomato sauce. Make sure they're fully submerged in the sauce. Cover the pot and let the meatballs simmer in the sauce for at least 30 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld and deepen. The meatballs will become incredibly tender and flavorful. While the meatballs simmer, let's cook the spaghetti. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add a generous amount of salt to the water. This will season the pasta and help it cook evenly. Add the spaghetti to the boiling water and cook according to package directions. We want the spaghetti to be al dente, which means to the tooth in Italian. It should be cooked through but still firm to the bite. Our spaghetti and meatballs are ready. The aroma is simply irresistible, filling the kitchen with the promise of a delicious meal. Drain the spaghetti thoroughly in a colander, ensuring all excess water is removed. Then add it to the pot with the rich, savory meatballs and sauce. Toss gently to coat the spaghetti evenly with the sauce, making sure every strand is covered. This step is crucial for the perfect blend of flavors. Now, let's plate this masterpiece. Use a large serving spoon to carefully place the spaghetti and meatballs onto each plate. Serve a generous portion of spaghetti and meatballs on each plate, ensuring everyone gets a hearty serving. Spoon extra sauce over the top to enhance the flavor and keep the pasta moist and delicious. Sprinkle with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This adds a rich, nutty flavor that complements the dish perfectly. Add a sprinkle of chopped parsley for a final touch of freshness and a pop of color. There you have it, a classic spaghetti and meatballs recipe worthy of the Godfather himself. The vibrant colors and enticing aroma make it a feast for the senses. Now gather your family around the table, pour some wine, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. This is more than just a meal. It's an experience to be shared and savored. Thanks for cooking with us. If you enjoyed this classic spaghetti and meatballs recipe, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more iconic dishes, and follow our Instagram by clicking the link in the description below. Buon appetito!